Good afternoon. Welcome to Horizon Car Rentals. I'll just walk you through a few quick but important details before you take the car. First, your driver's license and ID should always be with you. We know it sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many travelers forget one of them. Without both, you might run into trouble if you're stopped by traffic officers or crossing regions. Next, fuel policy. Your car comes with a full tank, so please return it full to avoid extra charges. And if you're unsure where the nearest gas station is, just ask. We've got you covered with a quick map or GPS pin. Now, about safety, this is the most important part. Always check your seatbelt before you start driving. Adjust your mirrors and take a moment to get comfortable with the car's controls, brakes, lights, wipers. Every model is a little different. Speed limits here are clearly marked, and they're not just for tickets, they're for your safety and everyone else's. And if you're using your phone, please use hands-free or pull over. No text is worth the risk. If anything unexpected happens, a warning light, a flat tire, or even if you just feel unsure, call the 24-hour number on your rental contract. We're here to help, no matter what time it is. Finally, remember, a car isn't just about getting from one place to another, it's about getting there safely. Drive smart, enjoy the ride, and make it a great. Here you go. Have a safe and pleasant journey.